Hi there, welcome back. So, in this discussion, I would be highlighting some aspects of the hierarchy that we can see in Snowflake. So, before that, we should understand what are the securable objects. So, securable objects are nothing but the objects that can be secured by proper privileges, permissions, proper roles. You know, the access can be controlled, can be granted, can be revoked, right, to these objects. Now these could be databases, tables, views, stored procedures, etc., right? So we would be discussing about securable objects, but before that I would like to highlight this hierarchy that exists in Snowflake. So top level component is the organization, which we have not seen till now. We will definitely discuss that in this discussion. We have seen account as we created our trial account. So we are aware of the process of creating account, setting up the first user, having account admin privileges, right? Then under that account, we are free to create users. We are free to create custom roles, although system defined roles are shipped with the Snowflake account that we created. Then we are free to create databases, warehouses, which we have not created till now, because account admin role is not meant to create databases and warehouses and other relevant objects, as we have sysadmin and other custom roles to perform these operations. Now under database, of course we will have a schema, right, under which we will have the objects like table, views, stored procs, UDFs, stage, etc., right? So this is how the hierarchy exists. So coming back, I'll quickly show you like how the organization comes into play, right? So before I go there, I'll just so on the Snowflake UI, now I have logged in as my user with account admin role, right? So this was the first user that got created. But if I want to see the organization, right, of which this account is part of, then we can see it over here. If you see, we have organization, certain combination of letters, right, randomly generated, then the addition that we selected while creating this account, which was business critical, right, then the cloud provider, which was AWS, and we selected a region, right, Asia Pacific as a region. So this information we can see, and if I want to actually see the org, so I need to basically assign myself the role of organization administrator, right? So I'll quickly go to my roles tab, and account admin user can do that, right? So if we see the list of roles, we will see org admin role as well, right? This is a system defined role. It's an organization administrator, right? Can manage organizations and accounts in the organization. So we will quickly do one grant to this user ID. This precision data. So I'll save this. So I have granted the role of org admin to this particular user who was having account admin role already. So if I go to the hierarchy, I'll be able to see, okay, if I just do a refresh, and now if I, okay, so if I am going, just a moment, let me refresh this thing out, because ideally if I am assigned that role, right, I should be able to view that in my hierarchy. So while this is refreshing, I will again go here and I'll try to see. So org admin is available, right? So I can switch to org admin, right? And now the UI will change slightly. I'll have the option of organization over here, right, in the top ribbon. So we will discuss in detail what operations can be done at organization level. Thanks all.